see this? We're gonna be tackling this project today. Hey, welcome to Chisholm Prism. My name is Taylor. I have been living in this apartment for almost a year now, and I have been slowly doing projects here and there. Today, I'm super excited because we're finally gonna be tackling the kitchen. So it's basically like your default kitchen, the standard brown cabinets, basic countertops, no backsplash. The thing about getting more lower cost apartments, you don't get the luxury of beautiful kitchens and bathrooms. But there's a way that we can transform a more average space into something that looks more luxury. This island off camera a whole other day. I thought it was a really good addition to the kitchen. It added a lot more surface area to cook, prep, whatever, and then we can add stools eventually and people can like sit and relax. Another DIY that I did a while ago was I added this black accent wall to this like pantry refrigerator area and gives it some more depth to the space. Something that I have seen a good amount of when just researching and looking around people renovating like apartment friendly kitchens. A lot of people go straight for making all of the cabinets white with contact paper and they just wrap everything in their kitchen, which is an insane time consuming project to do. Wow, the people who put in all that effort. What I'm gonna try to do in this renovation is think of a way to work with this color of cabinet, because I don't necessarily mind it, but what it does is it makes the kitchen feel very yellow-orange toned. And to counteract that, I'm thinking of going to more of like a green color palette to kind of offset that warm color tone to a more cool color tone. So what I found is I found this really pretty olive green tiling adhesive, removable, tile backsplash. So I'm going to incorporate that and some more cooler tones throughout the room. Backsplash is up. The space is already feeling so refreshed than how it was previously. Another overhaul that I am gonna do in the kitchen is some countertops. This one here, it has the look of like a chorizo. Insert word here. The look of this pattern, it has these like flakes on it, and it has some kind of cooler tones in the flakes with a couple of brown hints too. So I think it can blend these two better. So let's add these to the countertops. When I opened the package, there's this fun little drawing of a cat on it. Look at this. we're back. The contact paper is on, the backsplash is on. It's coming together really nicely. I do recommend this texture. I think it's really seamless for when you're overlapping. When you make a mistake, you really can't see it because this texture is so forgiving. I'm gonna put a link down to the products that I'm using in the description. So if anyone is curious and wanna go look at it yourself, it's all there for you. We're joined with our princess of the house. Say hello to Miss Susan. She just comes in the kitchen with me because she wants food. She wants me to give her a treat, so. Good, baby. So this is actually about a week later. I did want to just take a break, but now I'm finally ready to finish this all off so I can have a beautiful kitchen again. This was my old dish rack. I did order a new one. This one because it's gonna have a drain to go back into the sinks. Something else that I did see online that I wanted to try out was something to enhance this faucet. Eventually, I could see myself replacing the faucet for something that is taller, but right now, I just want something really temporary. I found this online, and it's supposed to be a faucet extender. So this will plug in like this. And here it comes with some tools.
Ten hours later.
Bruh.
The last big project, I have an idea for this window using some of this window film to make kind of like a stained glass look. So let's do that. I'm gonna try to get this gate thing off of the door because I hate it. And I wanna see if I can put the window treatment in here as well so they match. Thank you for watching this kitchen renovation video. I hope this inspires you in your space and getting some ideas, especially with keeping brown cabinets. There's a way to maybe work with the colors and offset those warm tones. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'm gonna go make some lunch now. Bye.